Hey everyone, if you want to back up and restore Vivaldi Browser data in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to protect your bookmarks, passwords, settings, and other important browser information. First, creating backups helps prevent data loss caused by crashes, system failures, or browser reinstallations. Start by enabling Vivaldi Sync. Yeah, this is the easiest way to protect your browser data across devices. Sign in to your Vivaldi account and select the data you want to synchronize. Choose bookmarks, passwords, extensions, settings, notes, and browsing history. For a manual backup, open Vivaldi and find your profile folder location. Close Vivaldi and copy the profile folder to another drive or external storage device. Keep your backup on an external drive or cloud storage for extra protection. To restore your data, simply sign into your Vivaldi account on another device. If you created a manual backup, replace the new profile folder with your saved one. Restart the browser and verify that your bookmarks, settings, and extensions have been restored. For the best protection, combine Vivaldi Sync with occasional manual backups. A common mistake is backing up while Vivaldi is still running. Always close the browser first to avoid corrupted files, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to back up and restore Vivaldi Browser data in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.